magnetic drill press and accessories. Dewalt DWE1622K 2-speed magnetic drill press, 2-inch. 10-amp motor, 2-speed settings low, no load speed, 300/450 RPM. Overload protection electronics which prevent motor damage. Quick change chuck system. Magnetic coolant bottle can be placed on either side of tool or on a work surface. 4.375-inch drill travel offers maximum capacity for heavy-duty applications. Dewalt router fix for plunge base kit. Variable speed, 1.25 HP max torque, DWP611P kit. Durable 1.25 HP motor delivers the power to meet the toughest applications. Variable speed control feature enables bit speed to be optimized for changing applications. No load speed range 16,000-27,000 RPM. Soft starting motor features full-time electronic feedback that maintains motor speed through the cut. Dual LEDs and clear sub-base ensure maximum visibility in operation. Adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes to within 1/64-inch, fixed base only. Allows up to 1.5 of depth travel with standard base and 2 with plunge base. Adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes to within 1/64th, fixed base only. Dewalt DCD771C220V Max cordless lithium-ion 0.5-inch compact drill driver kit. Compact, lightweight design fits into tight areas. High-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, of power ability completing a wide range of applications. High-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds, 0-450 and 1500 RPM, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. 0.5 inches single sleeve ratcheting chuck provides tight bit gripping strength. Ergonomic handle delivers comfort and control. Tool width, 1.9 inch. Maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. Battery capacity, 1.3 ampere hour. Dewalt DC970K2 18-volt compact drill or driver kit. Constructed to minimize user fatigue. Dual speed range, 0-450/0-1,500 RPM, delivers optimal performance. Includes DC970 drill/driver charger, 2 1.8V batteries contractor bag. Compact size fits into the tightest conditions, 0.5-inch single sleeve keyless ratcheting chuck for tighter bit grip. Lightweight design, 4.7 pounds, minimizes user fatigue. High performance motor delivers maximum power of 380 unit watts out. Dewalt screwdriver bit set with tub case, 45 piece, DW2166. Bit retention, tub case container bit retention system keeps bits secure. Magnetic drive guide, magnetic drive guide reduces stripping and wobbling. Bit fit, includes 12 double-ended bits. Bit tip count, 54 total tips. Steel bits, hardened steel screwdriver bits. Durable case, comes in a strong and durable case.